You're going to need a few supplies to do this craft. The first thing that you're going to need is some smooth white cardstock to print the sign. The link to print is in the description bar below. Today we're going to do Home of the Free because of the Brave, but there are some other designs available on my website and the link is in the description. You're going to need red and blue craft paint, some dish soap, and any brand will do, I just like Dawn, some water, a straw, and a couple of bowls. If you're having kiddos help you, poke a hole in the straw with a push pin to prevent them from accidentally sucking up paint and soap. You'll also need an 8x10 frame for the final product. I picked this one up at Walmart for $4. I'll leave links for all the supplies needed in the description bar. Here's the red mixture, all ready to go. You can find the exact recipe on the blog. Again, the link is in the description. So I just start with a couple tablespoons of dish soap, maybe a couple tablespoons, a couple squirts. And about the same amount of the paint. It just depends. This blue was pretty deep in color, so I didn't have to do more. But if it was not as deep, if the pigment wasn't as good as this paint, you might need just a little more. And the water, I would say maybe a quarter cup, a couple tablespoons. Just kind of eyeball it, but I do have the exact recipe on the blog, so you can check the link below. Stir it up. I had to stir a little longer than maybe some of you might if you have fresh paint. This paint was kind of old, so I had to really stir it well. Once you have that paint all incorporated and the soap incorporated, you'll know because you won't have chunks of paint. Like I was having chunks of paint because the paint was old. And now that I'm ready, I started with red first. I don't know why. But anyway, then you just blow bubbles in the mixture like when you did when you were a kid in your milk, your chocolate milk, whatever. So you blow the bubbles until the bubbles come just up and over the edge of the bowl. Like so. Big puffy thing of bubbles is what you want. And then you just take your painting and pop the bubbles. And there you go, bubble painting. And you can just kind of, do what you want here. I wanted a little more up higher, so I did it a few more times. Again, you just blow the bubbles until they come up over the top of the bowl. And you pop the bubbles with your design. Bubble painting. Okay, and now we're going to do the blue. And I used a different straw, obviously, because you don't want the colors to mix. Unless maybe if you did something else with some other colors, you might want them to mix. It might look kind of cool, but I wanted definite separate blue and red. So once again, blow the bubbles up over the edge of the bowl. And then you just pop it with the paper, with your design. And I do have some other designs, like I said, on the blog. I did Home of the Free because of the Brave, and then I did some stars in a circle with 1776. And those are totally free. You can print those off and make a bubble painting. Or just print them off and frame them. I did black and white. And I think I did one with red stars and then one with blue stars. And this doesn't have to be, you know, just a holiday thing. You can keep it around your house year round. I do. And then you just keep going with this until you have achieved what you want. However you want it to look, you know, just keep going until it's there. And I think I'm just about done here. I think I might have done one more. Nope, that was it. I think I'm done. Nope, I did do one more. I didn't quite have the exact amount of blue that I wanted. There we go. I just needed a little more on that corner. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. All the links to everything that you'll need are down below. Thank you for watching, and God bless.